Good afternoon guys, Rob from Icebox Auto here. Just today's install that we've done is on a BMW 3 Series 2012. Now this one had the 6-pin LDVS connection in there, so we were able to install this touchscreen CarPlay Android Auto type system. Now it's not an Android operating system, so you can't go and start downloading movies and IPTV and stuff like that. This is simply a system that works with your phone, so it will take CarPlay or Android Auto from your phone depending on which series of phone you use. So it's a full touchscreen system, not on the existing CIC MBT menu, but it's a touchscreen in the CarPlay. So as you can see, your original menu, BMW menu, will show up on this system here, and then obviously to switch over to CarPlay, which we've already set up for the purpose of the video, is to hold down the menu button, and then you will see that comes into that. Well, obviously you'll just see CarPlay flitted in then, but obviously this is the home page. So basically, as you can see, it's got wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. This is an original car, is part of the original BMW unit. So if you slide across there, then obviously you got USB CarPlay. You can also link a rear camera to this, which we have done. So basically, also you can stick a DVR camera to it. So there's the reverse camera today. Let me just knock it back out. And it goes back to here. So you can play your music through a USB pen. You can have Android Auto on it, and also this is the that's the CarPlay there. So it works in conjunction with the command paddle, which I'm obviously on now. If I just go back to the original screen, as you can see, this is all the customer's apps that she has on the phone in terms of Spotify, Teams, WhatsApp, Zoom, stuff like that. So if you've got any questions to ask, if you want to get any more information on the product, get in touch with us at www.iceboxauto.com. Give us a call on the phone number in the comment section down below, or drop us an email at admin@iceboxauto.com. Thanks very much.